Hi, sometime in your Windows 10 operating system, maybe you cannot find your icons like this PC or my computer icons, document icon and recycle bin like normal desktop. So if you want to get back in your desktop, watch this video till end. Now, right click on your desktop and then go to personalize. Now click on it and there is a screen pop up on your desktop. Now you need to see left side on your screen panel. Then click on theme. Now click on desktop icon settings. There is one more pop up screen on your desktop. In this screen you can check all which you need to show in your desktop. I need this PC and recycle bin and control panel. After checking all that which need to you, I can check them and then click on apply and then OK. Close this screen and go to your desktop. Now your icons are added into your desktop. Arrange it as well you need.